If your local river looks like a plastic dump, you're gonna love this techie marvel. Meet Clearbot. This solar-powered, AI-fueled boat is a game-changer for our oceans. Operating in places like Hong Kong, Thailand, and India, Clearbot can scoop up hundreds of kilograms of plastic waste every single hour. But wait, there's more. These bots don't just pick up trash. They can also remove invasive algae, map the ocean floor, and even help with oil spills. In India, Clearbot has been part of a massive mission to clean the Ganga River. The efforts have faced challenges like heavy pollution and logistical hurdles. Despite these obstacles, Clearbot has successfully removed tons of waste, making a significant impact on the river's health. Imagine a fleet of these eco-warriors cleaning up our waters, just like those robot vacuums in shopping malls. So next time you see a Clearbot cruising by, give a nod to the future of clean waters. Together we're making our planet a cleaner, greener place. Stay tuned for more awesome tech that's changing the world.